Welcome back to the next one. Another chimney stack. Just come away, you're looking with me. I'll just come up here to have a close look. It's gone. Wobbling on that one. Should look like new bunding to go on top. Just check all these supports. It's definitely leaning. So that one's definitely got to be placed. Yeah. Definitely moving. Definitely. Yes. Yeah. All 4 pots off. Look at the supports. New bunding on top. I've had the drone up to have a look before I done it. Before the scaffold went up. So right. I'll get cracking and start getting some of these pots off and make it a little bit more safer. Let's go. Pots off. A little bit more safer now. They just lifted off. As you can tell, it's just sand, dust. But yeah, all off. Just got to get some bars sorted out. Some slate. And go from there. Right. May just neaten it up a bit just to make it look as one. Put haunch on there, drive the rain off. It's all done in OPC. I thought it'd be lime, but it's okay. Carry on. So yeah, just go around, just double check everything, and then go from there. Take this moss off, clean it all up, and go from there. Right. See in a bit, and I'll show you where I am next. Let's go. Right. I had a bit of a change of plan, so I've now dropped it down 1 course, just so the pots have got more stability. So in doing that, I've destroyed that one, broken brick, so I've got to replace all that to then bring that all up to level. That's out at the minute. That I've got to put an infill underneath it, help support these chimneys.